Hey, what's up guys, the Unboxed here. In this video I'll show you how you can make the text larger on your screen. If you are having trouble reading or if you need glasses, you just need to go to settings and then you will go to accessibility and display text and size, and here you can see larger text. You press that button right there. As you can see here, you can make them you can have like even more sizes, larger accessibility sizes. You turn that on and then you can go quite big, as you can see right here. And then if you go out of this, go back to settings, as you can see we have really big text and you reading is not a problem anymore. So if you want to reverse that, you'd go back to settings and then you'd go to accessibility and then go back to display text and size, larger text. You deactivate this and then you go back to your preferred size and then you can go back, and there we go. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you.